Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to create an account on Facebook using your PC with the latest updates. Whether you're looking to connect with friends, join communities, or promote your business, having a Facebook account is essential. Let's jump right into the steps you need to follow to get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Facebook website. You'll see a clean and inviting homepage that's ready for you to create your account. Once you're on the site, look for the sign-up form on the right side of the page. Here, you'll need to fill in a few important details. Start by entering your name, making sure it's the name you want to be associated with your account. Next, you'll need to provide either your email address or your mobile number. Make sure this is a valid email or number because you'll use it for account verification. After that, create a strong password for your account. Remember, a good password combines letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Next, fill in your date of birth and select your gender from the drop-down menu. This information helps Facebook tailor your experience and connect you with the right people. Once all your details are in place, click the Sign Up button at the bottom of the form. This will submit your information and start the account creation process. The last step is to verify your email or mobile number. Facebook will send you a verification link or a code. Follow the link in your email or enter the code you received via SMS to complete the process. And just like that, you've successfully created your Facebook account. Now you're ready to explore everything Facebook has to offer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using social media effectively.